Swiftly bid farewell to bad hair days and hello to gorgeous locks every day with the Laifen Swift Ionic Hairdryer. In this detailed and critical review, we'll explore how this dryer performs in real-life scenarios, its user-friendliness, standout features, pros and cons, as well as its overall benefits and functionality. Unlike normal hairdryers which use heating elements, the Laifen Swift doesn't. Instead, it uses an ion generator that distributes ions during the hair drying process without evaporating moisture from the hair. The result is reduced frizzy hair and less time drying your hair. At the heart of the Laifen Swift hairdryer lies a powerful brushless motor, which operates faster than traditional dryers, making hair drying quicker and more efficient. On top of that, the Laifen dryer releases negative ions, which reduces frizzy hair and makes hair shine. The Laifen Swift hairdryer boasts a unique nozzle-less design, featuring a distinctive rubber hammer-like shape. The front end resembles a jet engine with a circular 6 cm diameter, while the back end is 7 cm in diameter, creating a sleek and futuristic appearance. The compact body is 9 cm long, while the handle, measuring 18 cm, incorporates a practical metal filter to catch hairs. Accessing the filter is a breeze. Simply pull down the perforated cap, which conveniently attaches magnetically. With the included plastic nozzle, measuring 6 cm in length and weighing 52 grams, precise styling becomes effortless. As for the dryer itself, it weighs 593 grams, including the cable, offering a lightweight and user-friendly experience. The Laifen Swift hairdryer's design elements converge to create a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, providing an exceptional hair-drying journey like no other. The Swift dryer is crafted from glass-filled nylon plastic, providing a remarkably lightweight feel that ensures effortless handling and comfortable use. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly button controls make operating the dryer a breeze, while the 360 degrees rotating magnetic nozzle effortlessly attaches and detaches for convenient styling. Additionally, the Laifen Swift hairdryer incorporates a fine mesh metal inner filter, effectively preventing hair from entering the air duct. The power cord is both durable and pleasant to touch, thanks to its siliconized rubber construction. Measuring 1.8 meters in length, the power cord offers sufficient reach, although it falls on the shorter end. Navigating the Laifen Swift hairdryer is a breeze with its user-friendly 3-setting plastic switch and clicky plastic push button. Additionally, the backside of the dryer features a circular heat level LED indicator for quickly identification of the temperature without having to glance at the buttons. In addition to the hot, warm, and cold settings, the dryer also boasts an auto-cycling mode, seamlessly alternating between hot and cold air every few seconds. The construction of the Laifen Swift hairdryer is intelligently designed to provide simplicity and efficiency, ensuring a seamless and satisfying hairdrying experience. The Laifen Swift hairdryer feels durable for everyday use, making it suitable for hairdressers. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee, and Laifen estimates the hairdryer to last up to an impressive 16 years, although only a 2-year warranty is included. It would have been beneficial if a lifetime warranty was included to back up the long-lasting performance. Laifen Swift's main benefit over a traditional hairdryer is the brushless motor and negative ion technology, which makes it quicker to dry hair healthier.